Uy, diligan pa yan dila.
Huwag na, mamaya na lang.
Palagan.
Bibigat lang.
Yung matubig dito, wala. Saan ta, July? Dito.
Saan yan, Cebu?
Cebu Pacific.
I-open mo nga yun, Judit.
Ingputay!
Palihog! Palihog!
Tinti.
Ayun lang ito eh.
Kahit itong nakita. Mamaya na lang.
Ginang.
Lakasan mo pa.
Pull lang nga eh.
Drink, drink, drink.
Putay.
Ganyan na para hindi ka mapalagan. Bukort of everyone, Manishima, Ani Hakol Visider at Ata. Anyway, welcome to my vlog and this is Pinoy Farmer here in Israel. So for today's video, since it's Friday, not much work today. No Muslim workers, no Israeli workers, mostly only Thailand and Filipino workers every Friday. But this time, no Thailand workers again. So it's a big task to us to perform this day and to show them that we can do it as long as we understand the instruction that they given to us. So for today, we do plant spacing as usual. We do that every day. So sisiw na dyan na sa mga dyan. All of the flowers here are sold by pots. So dili na dyan sa as in haga atimanen compared sa cuttings. Then the system here on how they operate the farm is a better way compared sa ato adira sa Pilipinas. And it's true na advanced dyan sila dire. That's also maybe the reasons why there's a lot of farmer students who keep studying here to have a great idea, knowledge that they could bring them when they get back to their own country and apply those knowledge that they've learned here in Israel. And also, it helped them to grow and more productive in terms of agricultural business.
Gamot sa titing maliit.
Dami ba to?
Ilang table ito dyan? Ay.
July.
Ilang table ito?
Yan, isa lang.
Tapos kung mapuno ito, saan man ito ilagay?
Dito.
Sakto to po sa akin. Ano to, 5 lang.
So here in the farm where we work, every day gadjud may nag-harvest diri. Sakadjud pag-abot na mo diri katong pag summer, pag winter bisag tugnaw, kereg-kereg pa ni among mga kalawasan, wala jud mi mabuhat kundi mag-harvest every day. Init pa karon pa summer na, spring pa man karon pa summer na. Every day jud mi nag-harvest bisan pag tugnaw, init, hangin, unsa pa na diha. Agwanta kay mao may gisidlan nata dire. So every day jud mi nag-harvest. But since today no Thailand workers, so means no harvest. We can trade Hebrew later, so that's also another things that we should consider to learn a basic Hebrew. Not only that, but also to have a great communication when we are talking to Israeli people. But other than that, in terms of doing our daily tasks, sus, of course, kita nga Pilipino, grabe ang pagka-competitive dyan natin, di ba? So we do our best to show them that we Filipino are hardworking.
Dami pala to yung TikTok natin ngayon.
Power Times?
Maganda din ang plano ni Miami eh. Pa-TikTok buong araw tayo tapos bukas mag-harvest sila. Dahil kung papasok sila ngayon, mag-TikTok lang tayo half day. Mag-harvest half day. Kansi sila sa oras mag-TikTok.
Pwede rin naman.
Ang galing ng mga mata! So, adyaw na enjoy in mind ang ba dira nga sige jijag ng tabi-tabi kay mao ra gyud ang stress reliever. Unsa stress reliever? Di mo na ang pamaagi para hagaan ang utok ba aron ni kagabi matug ra ko diretso. Mag cellphone na karedyo na tug na diretso kay nakaugma another trabaho na pud. Kayod karabaw ra gyud mi dire. So di ba nakita ninyo nga unsa ra ka easy gikuha namo ang tanom gujud-gujud ra dire, gujud-gujud ra dira, hatid ra dire, pila ra ka minuto, pila ra ka segundo nga na ra na siya kasayon ang trabaho dire dili jud sa bugat. So that's what we did the whole day, plant spacing. So for those interested to apply as workers here in Israel, isip-isip na kung kaya pa ba. Much love. See you next vlog. That's our video for today. Enjoy watching. Labira, imong mata.
Bidyan mo ako po. May day ko.
Yala. Yala salame. Dali, Jujit. Ay, iya tayo. Hindi ka dapat makita dyan kay balgani ka. Okay, ito da.